Alright, accidentally deleting an email? Yeah, happens more often than you think. The good news is, you can usually get it back. In this full guide, I'll show you how to recover deleted emails in Gmail, step by step. First, go to the trash folder. Deleted emails stay there for 30 days before they're permanently removed. Now, scroll through or use the search bar to find the email you deleted. Once you find it, click the checkbox, then hit Move To and choose Inbox or any label you want. If you don't see it in trash, check All Mail. Sometimes emails are archived instead of deleted. Use search filters, like sender name, keywords, or date, to locate the email faster. Okay, if it's not in trash, it might be permanently deleted. In that case, go to Google's recovery page and request help. This only works sometimes, so yeah, act quickly. Also, check your spam folder. Sometimes emails end up there instead of your inbox. Quick tip, use labels or archive emails instead of deleting them. That way, you don't lose anything important. And yeah, that's how you recover deleted Gmail emails. Most of the time, they're just sitting in trash, so don't panic. Just check there first.